Point up in the sky.
No. That entire time I wasn't recording. Get back out here.
I'm trying to. It's
Don't walk
fun of
us
me.
out.
It's freezing out
What's
here.
today's date? February something.
Yeah, just snowed a week ago.
It's got 6 inches last week.
Gotta get this cold weather away from us. Let's go burn some tires in the backyard. Oh, look what I won in school today.
What is it?
Instant dancing test.
Oh, how'd you get that?
I won it.
For what?
Something in.
I would love to be able to put this on the computer, you know?
I'm gonna go back inside. It's freezing out here.
Not that bad with my sweatshirt on.
The huge snowflakes.
I know, that's such... I don't know if they're showing up as huge snowflakes on here,
Oh,
though.
it's starting to get windy out here.
Yeah?
The mail's here, man. That's mine. See?
Oh, you're right. You want to go get it?
When it gets there, yeah. Let me put this jacket over real quick. I'm freezing.
Will you